Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. How are you, dear student? Your physics teacher Ziaul Haq. Hope you will be fine and doing great. Okay, dear student, today we are going to study power and know about the power. This is the topic of the work energy chapter. So power, like when some work is done or if we finish work as soon as possible, so we can say the power of the machine or the power of the person is also more. Let's see on the next page that what is power. So let's see the definition of the power. Okay, let's see here what is power. Power is the rate at which work is done. Rate mean like in Dari we can say raftar. This means like how quickly can we finish the work, like how it is possible that we can finish our work. Okay, so power is the formula of power is work divided by time. Like power needed two parameter, work and time, like the given work, how long to finish, like how much time it will take to finish. For example, I just gave you two simple example. Let's suppose if we have two water machine or water motor, like one in water motor second. So here is the water tanker. So let's suppose both of these water machine or water motor, the first one is finished their work to or fill the tanker within 10 minutes, and the second one with fill the tanker, water tanker within 15 minutes. So like both have a same electricity, both have a same distance or displacement, but the first one will finish the work in 10 minutes and the second one within 15 minutes. So we can say the first water motor is more power than the second one. So why? Because it will finish the work quickly from the second one. So this is why, because the power of the first machine is more than the second one. So this is called power actually. So power is denoted by P, and work they denoted by W, and time is denoted by T. So we can simple also, like this is the first formula that we can use. P is equal to W divided by T, and the one thing remember, the unit of power is watt, which is denoted by W. Okay, if the work done by a constant force, then like we can also use this formula for the power, and this one as well. So let's how this formula, where does it come from? So we know that power is equal to W over T, and we also know that W is equal to F multiplied by displacement. So instead of W we can put the value of W. So if we use this one, so this will become, this is X and divide by T, and this is the second formula which is used for the power. And the third one we can also use F multiplied by displacement over time. We know that displacement over time is equal to velocity, so we can also use this formula for the power as well. So we have three formula for the power. The first one is this is the second one, force multiplied by displacement over time, and the third one, force multiplied by speed or velocity. Okay, the unit of power is watt, which is denoted by W, and 1 kilowatt is equal to 1000 watt, or 1 watt is equal to 1 joule per second. Okay, let's move to the next page. Further know about the power. Okay, like for engine, power is often measured in horsepower. Like normally, whenever you buy a water machine or water motor or any types of machine in a bazaar, so they usually say that the horsepower of this machine is this much. So 1 horsepower is equal to 740 Newton, which is equal to 0.5 kilowatt. Okay. This is not Newton, this is watt. One horsepower is equal to 746 watt, which is approximately which is equal to 0.75 kilowatt. Okay, let's see the example here. An engine exert a force of 200 Newton. Like there is a engine or machine which apply or produce the force 200 Newton on a rope, pull a distance of 72 meter and 0.05 hour. Like there is a machine, let's suppose a lifter, which how meter the total displacement is 72 meter. So it will lift the things from lower to up, and the total distance is 72 meter, and apply the force here is 200 Newton. In how much time? The time will spend 0.05 hour. So this ask or they want the power, like what is the power supplied by the engine. Okay, so we know that F is equal to how much? 200 Newton. Time is equal to 0.05 hour, which is equal to how many second? Let me convert the hour into second. 0.05 hour to second. So this is equal to 3600 multiplied by 0.05. So this is equal to 180 second. Okay, next one, the displacement or x is equal to 72 meter. So power is unknown. So we know that we will use the formula, this one, if multiplied by displacement divided by time. Just putting the value here, force is 200 Newton multiplied by 72 meter and divide by 180 second. So let's calculate the value and find the multiplication and division. So now 200 multiplied by 72, this is equal to 14400 divided by 180 Newton meter 80 second. So now this is divided by 180, so this is equal to 80 watt. So the power produced by the machine or the power of the machine is 80 watt. Okay, thank you so much dear student. If you have any questions, so you can ask in your comment.